Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into a controversial move in the Democratic Party. Congressman Adam Schiff is stirring the pot. Schiff recently urged President Biden to withdraw from the 2024 presidential race. Some argue this could actually help Trump. Nearly two-thirds of Democrats are uncertain about Biden's chances. Top donors are hesitating, creating instability within the party. The Democratic Party is under pressure. They've delayed plans to officially nominate Biden. This delay could give Trump an edge. The party is struggling to stay unified. Schiff's actions might inadvertently benefit Trump. He's pledged to support the Democratic nominee, but the damage might be done. So do you think Schiff's call for Biden to step down is a strategic move to help Trump? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching, y'all. See you next time.